Holly, what do you think? Are we getting outside and getting some exercise in this morning?
Totally. And then we're tracking storms for later. So I'm going to let you know timing on that because these storms have the potential of being strong to even severe. And then we've got to talk about Nicholas, which since you've gone to bed just in this morning is now a tropical storm again, made landfall as a Category 1 hurricane. So more on that coming up. Temperatures are around 70 degrees this morning. No real big change from the way it felt yesterday. It's very humid. Dew points are well into the 60s, which is what makes it feel muggy. And we've got a lot of warm weather across the region. The cooler weather is well to our north and west, and we're going to stay away from that cool weather for a bit here. As we take a look at our timeline, it is mid to upper 80s through the day, and even into dinner time and early evening, we remain dry. It is going to be a mix of clouds and sunshine, but we're dry. So recess, practices, if the kids have games, if you've got a game, if you're heading out to lunch or dinner and thinking, can I do a patio? Can I grill dinner tonight? The answer is yes to all of those questions. Tracking a front to our west. Also tracking Nicholas in the Gulf, and big impact right now is Texas. We'll get to Nicholas in just a second, but first let's talk about these thunderstorms and the timing. So on our National Design Mart forecast, this is 11 a.m. and we're still mixed cloud sunshine. We'll see more sun at times into the afternoon. It's going to be a warm one with highs well into the 80s. Now watch what happens as we continue on through the evening. This is 5 o'clock and through 6, 7, totally dry. By 8 o'clock, we are seeing that line start to evolve to our west. And as we get into 11 o'clock tonight and midnight tomorrow, we've got strong thunderstorms moving through. Very heavy rain, gusty winds will be a potential, isolated severe storms. So this is all going to be as you're winding down and, more than likely the kids will be asleep, maybe wake up from the thunder and lightning. As we continue to move through early tomorrow, we see some scattered thunderstorms, but then it's just some leftover showers into your Wednesday. And temperatures tomorrow only in the 70s. So that's our one little cool down day before we just bump those numbers right back up. Now here's the newest numbers in on now Tropical Storm Nicholas. Winds are down to 70 miles an hour. Gusts are still as high as 85. So it's a tropical storm, but a Category 1 hurricane would be 74 miles an hour. And as far as the track of Nicholas goes, it's still expected to basically just continue on slowly eastward. We'll keep you updated as we continue to keep an eye on this and, of course, get those updates from the National Hurricane Center. Union Home Mortgage 7-day outlook. Tomorrow, we're in the 70s, but then we're near 80 on Thursday, and we're into the 80s. The weekend looks lovely. Go Browns Sunday. That's going to be nice weather for the game. Doggone weather right now. It's coming up on 5:48. We've got Zeus to introduce you to this morning. Look at the ears and look at the eyes and the whole thing. So Zeus loves to be outside. He's a Dutch Shepherd, lives in North Kingsville, Ohio. Missy and Ryan are the proud parents, and he is 4 months old. So there he is in all his glory, Dave. Sweet as can be, just a pup.
Yeah, not messing with Zeus, though. All right. Thank you, Holly.